Okay, foxes. Here we have another amazing circuit. One of our previous video, we are shown to you the radio frequency control circuit, where we control the relays of the circuits with the help of a radio frequency remote control circuit. Here again we have the similar circuit, but rather than use the radio frequency remote, we are using today this IR remote. With the help of this IR remote, we can control this circuit, or I can say that we can control the operation of this circuit. Similar to our previous circuit, here again we have these 4 relays inside this circuit, and we have a microcontroller, the same microcontroller which we were used in our previous circuit, which was 80 mega 328 by 8 mil. And this is a famous microcontroller which is now used by Arduinos, creators of Arduino boards. But here the main difference between this circuit and the ones we were used in our previous video is this receiver. In our previous circuit we use radio frequency receiver, but here we are using this receiver, and this receiver has actually received the IR signal that is emitted by this remote. When I press a button, I can show to you. This is a remote control, and I will try my best to give you some sight that this remote is actually emitting IR radiation or IR signals. These IR signals is actually then received by this receiver, and hence then it activate the relay based on the received signal. The main difference between the IR remote and the RF remote is obviously you people know that the radio frequency remote is working beyond line of sight, while IR remote circuit control or IR remote is actually worked in line of sight. So let's see how this circuit is work. So here we are having these buttons, and I just decode the signal that is emitted by these different buttons, or when I press these different buttons, different signals are emitted by this remote, and these signals are catch up by this receiver, which analyze these signals. So let's see, and I press this one button, a receiver, which analyze these signals. So let's see, and I press this one button. This lamp is actually turned on. And I press this 2 button. This lamp is turned on, and by pressing these 2 buttons again, we can turn off this lamp. And if I try my best to give you some sort of visual view of these relays, how these relays are actually operate. Okay, if you observe this relay, look at it energized and it's de-energized. So similar to our previous one, this circuit having the same circuitry, except this circuit having this receiver which is work on IR radiation rather than radio frequency. Thank you.